Planning a trip to New York City? Whether it's your first visit or your fifth, there are a few things you must do before you touch down in the Big Apple. Today, we're breaking down 5 essential steps to make your New York City adventure smoother, more enjoyable, and way less stressful. You definitely don't want to miss number 4. Let's jump in. Hey there, we're Katie and Steve, a couple of empty nesters who believe travel doesn't have to wait for someday or a big budget. With Steve at 6'5" and Katie at almost 5'4", we see the tall and small of everyday life, one adventure at a time. So pack your curiosity, grab your sense of humor, and join us on our latest adventure. New York is huge, chaotic, and packed with more things to see than you could ever fit into a single trip. That's why step 1 is to decide what you actually want to do. You simply can't do it all. For our trip, each of us chose 2 must-dos and 2 would-be nice-to-dos. This helped keep us focused without feeling overwhelmed, and it left room for surprises along the way. Just like in real estate, in New York City, location is everything. Once you know your top activities, choose a place to stay that puts you close to most of them. The less time you spend traveling back and forth across the city, the more time you'll have to actually enjoy the city. You will be using public transportation, trust us. The subway is usually the fastest and most affordable way to get around. If you're planning to use it, make sure you've got your tap to pay activated on your phone or smartwatch so you can tap in quickly at any turnstile. A few minutes of prep saves a lot of stress when the trains start rolling. Tip number 4 is our favorite trick. If you're arriving in the city by train, consider packing everything in a travel backpack and travel as light as possible. New York means stairs, long blocks, and crowded sidewalks. Dragging wheeled luggage for several blocks? Not fun. A backpack makes navigating stations and streets way easier. Finally, relax. Don't pack your schedule so tightly that you have no room to breathe. Some of the best moments happen when you're not planning anything at all. Take time to chat with people while you're waiting in line or grabbing a bite. On our trip, we ended up discovering the Francis Tavern, a place we might have never visited just because we struck up a conversation with a lovely couple from New Zealand while waiting for our coffee. New York is full of these little surprises, if you leave space for them. So there you have it. 5 things you absolutely must do before visiting New York City. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and tell us in the comments, what's on your New York City must-do list? Thanks for watching and enjoy your adventure in the city that never sleeps.